Well, hello, hello. All right. So this is the very first thing you need to do in order to get Bitcoin is you have to set up a wallet. And I want to introduce you here to a site called Coinbase. It is probably the most well-known cryptocurrency exchange platform that's out there, which basically means that it's a site where people buy and sell cryptocurrency. And one of the most important things that they provide is a wallet. Now, this wallet is not the normal kind of wallet, by the way. It's not made out of leather, it's not made out of vinyl. It's simply a digital number. And that account number is made out of a bunch of numbers and letters. So let me show you how to find it here in Coinbase. So while you are here on your Coinbase screen, you're going to click on Portfolio if you're not there already. And then you're going to click on Receive. So make sure you read this message here. You're going to click on I understand. And then you're going to get your wallet displayed for you. So with this wallet address, what you're going to do is you're going to copy this and then you're going to paste it into that other program that I'm going to introduce you to that's going to generate that crypto coin for you. Okay, so once you got that, we're going to go over to the next part, which is to set up your automatic Bitcoin mining machine. So let's head over there right now. See you in the next video.